Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use AirPlay on your iPhone. AirPlay is a fantastic feature that lets you wirelessly share content from your iPhone to a larger screen or speaker. Imagine watching a video from your phone directly on your smart TV or playing music through your HomePod. It's incredibly convenient for sharing photos, videos, and audio with friends and family, making your media experience much more versatile and enjoyable. Let's dive into how it works. Connecting to an AirPlay device is quite straightforward. First, make sure both your iPhone and the device you want to AirPlay to are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is a crucial step for a smooth connection. Next, open Control Center on your iPhone by swiping down from the top right corner. You'll then see an icon that looks like two overlapping rectangles. Tap this for screen mirroring. Finally, choose your AirPlay device from the list, and you're ready to go. Once connected, streaming media is simple. When you're playing a video, viewing photos, or listening to music, look for the AirPlay icon. It typically appears as a rectangle with an upward-pointing triangle. Tap this icon, and then select your AirPlay device from the options. For music, you can even choose multiple AirPlay 2 compatible speakers for a fantastic multi-room audio experience. You can easily control the volume directly from your iPhone, giving you full command. Beyond just streaming media, AirPlay also offers screen mirroring, which is incredibly useful. This feature allows you to display your entire iPhone screen on a larger display, perfect for presentations or sharing apps. To activate it, simply open Control Center and tap the screen mirroring icon, the one with two overlapping rectangles. Select your AirPlay device, and your iPhone's display will appear. When you're finished, just open Control Center again and tap Stop Mirroring to end the session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.